How can I delete iMessages on both sides simultaneously?
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to delete iMessages on both sides simultaneously. If you've ever wanted to remove messages from your device and also make them disappear from the recipient's device, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in.
Enabling the Delete for Everyone feature.
The Delete for Everyone feature in iMessages allows you to delete a message not only from your own device but also from the recipient's device. Here's how you can enable it. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Scroll down and tap on Messages. 3. Make sure the iMessage toggle is enabled. If it's already enabled, proceed to the next step. 4. Scroll down to find the Send Read Receipts option and ensure it's enabled. This is required for the Delete for Everyone feature to work.
Deleting iMessages on both sides.
Now that you have the necessary settings enabled, let's see how to delete iMessages on both sides. 1. Open the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Locate the conversation containing the messages you want to delete. 3. Tap and hold the specific message or multiple messages you wish to remove. 4. In the pop-up menu, tap on More. This will select the messages and display additional options. 5. With the messages selected, tap on the trash can icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. 6. A confirmation menu will appear. Tap on Delete Message. This action will delete the selected messages from your device.
Verifying deletion on the recipient's device.
To ensure that the messages are deleted from the recipient's device as well, follow these steps. 1. Ask the recipient to open their Messages app on their iPhone or iPad. 2. In the conversation where you deleted the messages, the recipient should see a message stating this message has been deleted for the specific messages you removed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete iMessages on both sides simultaneously using the Delete for Everyone feature. Remember to enable the necessary settings and follow the steps I mentioned to ensure the messages are removed from both devices. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comments below. Stay connected, and have a great day.